Hello everyone, this is Prashant here, and once again welcome back to my channel Food and Travel. Uh, Sorry for the sound. Today's video is going to be a very simple video. You may have noticed from the title above that what this video is going to be about. So today I'm going to prepare yen kang soy. Yen kang soy is a dish from Manipur. So first let me explain what yen kang soy means. Yen means chicken in Manipuri, and kang soy is a dish from Manipur only. So what happened in this dish is they mostly prepare this dish with all kind of vegetable. So in this yen kang soy, what is going to happen is that the chicken is going to be the main ingredients, and then we're going to cook the chicken them like the way we cook the kang soy. Okay, and the best part about this dish is that you won't be using any oil in this dish. So probably this is going to be the best dish. I mean, like this is going to be a healthy dish. So like if you don't want to eat oil, then this is definitely going to help for you. And if you're fed up of eating those oily chicken and want to replace those oily chicken with some oily chicken, then this is definitely going to help you out. Let's go and check out the ingredients first. Okay, so for this particular dish we'll be using lots of veggie. So let's go through all the ingredients one by one. We will be using 3 to 4 pieces of mustard leaves, 2 pieces of tomato, 1 piece of capsicum, 1 small piece of ginger, 10 to 15 cloves of garlic, 1 medium sized onion, and half kilo of chicken. Potato, it's optional. Like if you want to put potato, then you can use potato. If you don't want, you can leave this. Okay, so as you know all the ingredients now, let's go through the cooking process now. Okay, so first let's heat up the pressure cooker, and as the pressure cooker get heat up, let's put water for the gravy. So it's up to you how much gravy you want to put, but you have to check this. Like if you're cooking like half kilo of chicken, then it's better not to put more than 4 to 5 cup of water, because if you put too much of water, then the chicken will be tasteless, and like even the curry will be tasteless. So don't put too much of water. 4 to 5 cup is more than enough. So here we're gonna put the onion. Actually, like it's quite simple, because there's no proper timing for putting any of the spices, because you can put all of these at once. I put the onion, garlic, ginger, capsicum, and tomato. Now let's put the mustard leaf, and let's make it boil. So now we can cover the lid and wait for the kang soy to get boiled. Now after 5 minutes, let's open the lid and check. Now as you can see, it is boiling. So now we can add the potato. As I told you, it's optional. If you don't want to put potato, then you can leave it. And now we're going to put the chicken. And now here I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, just to get rid of the soup color. Otherwise the chicken curry is going to look like a soup. So that's why I'm adding 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. This is a very healthy way of cooking chicken, because in this particular recipe we'll be cooking the chicken with different kind of veggie. So you'll be getting all the vitamins and minerals from the veggie also, and you'll be getting the taste of the chicken also. This is a very healthy way of cooking. I put only 2 glasses of water, so the water seems to be quite less, so I'm putting some more water. Because we're going to boil this, so we'll be needing some more water. Now I'm going to add the salt. You can put salt as per your taste. And now we have to cover the lid and make it boil. But we need to keep checking in between. We have to make it boil until the chicken get nicely cooked. So after 5 minutes we'll be opening the lid again, and then we'll be checking. If the chicken is cooked, then it's okay. It will make the gravy little dry, and then the chicken is done. Now after making it boil for something around 5 minutes, let's open the lid and check. And now as you can see, all the veggies are nicely cooked. So let's check if the chicken is cooked or not. It's almost cooked, but still I'm going to make it boil for another 5 minutes by covering the lid, and then after that it will be done. So let's cover the lid again. Now let's open the lid and check again. So now the potato is nicely cooked and even the chicken is nicely cooked. So it's done now. Let's garnish this with some coriander and then it's ready to have. Okay, so let me take out in one plate and then I'll show you again.